Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth and I'm super excited to share this video with you. So I'll be showing you how to edit your videos using your phone with the Youcut video editor. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button to support your girl. This is the video editor I actually used to edit my first and second video, so if you want to see how efficient it is, kindly go check them out. Alright, so that's the icon there. Click on it to bring you to this interface. You click on the plus button, it will take you directly to your video files, so you can select to your files actually, then the photo and all that, your video, so you can select whichever one you want, and then it brings you to this interface. Alright, so this video I'm actually this video I chose, I was actually just dancing, so just ignore. Alright, so this application has various functions. It has the trim, music, filter, effects, text, stickers, speed, background, recording, that's the voiceover recording, volume, and so on. So I'll be going through them one after the other. Alright, so we start off with the trim. Effect. So yeah, you just click on the trim effect, it brings you to this interface, so you can trim from either the end of the video or from the beginning of the video, whichever way you want it. And then if you do that, you click on the mark button, and then so I'm trying to remove the beginning of this video. Alright, so yeah, that's done. Okay, we go back to it. In that trim video, we also have the cut, so you can decide to cut from any part of the video, from in between the video, as you can see, and then so you click and drag to wherever you want. And then the next one is the split. You just click on it and then you can move it to wherever you want to split the video. Alright, so the next one is the music. They have quite amazing they have some really nice music in this application, so you can choose whichever one you want. Some are free, some you don't have to pay though. You just have to click on something and then it will just play the music for you like this. And then so you just have varieties of music to select from. Alright, so we also have the different sounds, the different effects. We have the airplane effect, the airplane sounds, the animal sounds, the applause. You'll hear that in my first video. I majorly used it in my first video. Alright, so we have the bells sounds, the bird sounds, cartoon sounds, children sounds, and so on and so forth. So once you select it, just click and it brings you back here. Also back to the effects, right, the filter rather. So yeah, as you can see, these are the different filters that you can select from if you want to use a filter. Alright, so to the effects, we have various kinds of effects in this part, in this effect button. So yeah, these are the effects. You see them, you see it in the video as I'm clicking on them, you see their effects, you see them. Yeah, some people like to use this, I really don't know. So yeah, some people like this. So yeah, quite a number of them. You can select whichever one you want. Once you select, you just click the OK, but I'm not using them, so I just go back. And now the text. So yeah, you can click on the text icon, and then you type whatever you want. For example, you are recording a video that you want, probably you're giving points and you want your points to be popping up on your screen. This is very useful for that. And there are different font designs, right? Font designs. Also different colors. You can select which color you want to use for the fonts, as you can see. Okay, so let me just select, and you can as well reduce the opacity or increase it, depends on your choice. Yeah, and these are also the effects, the character effect, the line effect, the kind of spacing you want within your text, and the opacity as well. Okay, so if you want your text in the middle, and so yeah, as you can see, once you click on it, it will pop up on top of the video that you chose, so you can decide whenever you want it to pop up and however you want it. So yeah, as you can see, just click on that, drag it to however you want it, drag it how long you want it to show. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, so I'm just going to preview it. You see that? Yeah. Alright, so let's assume, because this color is not showing very, I'm going to change the color so that it can show from where it is. Alright, from where I put it. Alright, as you can see, yes, now it's clear. And if you want to edit it, you can just click on it and it will show you. You see the edit sign on it, and you can just edit your text anytime you like during the course of editing the videos. Alright, so if I'm going to try another text, okay, let me say cooking, and then choose the color that I want. You can see it, the cooking text on top of the video, so you can as well drag it to wherever you want it to pop up, right? And then that's it. And you see, very easy. Just click on it, drag it to whichever point you want them to pop up, and that's exactly what's going to happen. Okay, so next is the sticker. So once you click on the sticker icon, you see different stickers there that you want to select from. For example, you set something funny, you just want to give a funny sticker, and that's it. It will also pop up, and you can as well draw, just like we did in the text, to wherever you want it. As you can see, you see that? Yes, very easy. Alright, so next is the speed. Once you click on the speed, it will show you this interface. So if you want to drag it back, you can see my dancing is now slow, right? Yeah, and if you take it forward, depending on how fast you want your video to be at whatever point. Alright, so yeah, that's the work of the speed. Okay, so next is the background. Alright, if you're shooting a video, whatever kind of video you are recording or you are editing, the different backgrounds and ratios are there for you. For a YouTube video, we use 16:9, which is perfect, and that's what I'm using already, and I don't need a background, but I'm just showing you the different backgrounds that we have, different colors that we have on this application. So yeah, and that's it. And then next is the recording. So for example, if you want to do a voiceover, you just click on the record button, and then just like that, it will as well pop up there like the others that we just finished using. Alright, up next is the rotating. Okay, so I just want to show you, right? Okay, next is the rotating. As you can see, you can rotate your video whichever way you want it. You can flip it to the left or to the right, and then you can crop your video as well. For example, you want to crop your video, there is a crop button there as well for you to crop, and your video will still maintain the 16:9 or whatever ratio that you chose. Okay, so we're just previewing everything we've just done. Yeah, I'm just trying to make it faster because I want this video not to be too long. You see that? Don't mind me, I don't know how to dance, I'm just messing around. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so when you finish, you just click on the save and it will show you this. Just go ahead and save because it's in the best stuff, and then it would load while saving, as you can see. Once it's done saving, you'll see saved, and it doesn't take much time, but it depends on how long your video is, but it doesn't take much time. Alright, so our video is saved. Just go back to your file, go back to your documents, and then albums. You see it as one of your recent videos, and that's our video right there. Yay. Alright, I'm just gonna fast forward it to where we added some effects, just so you see how they come out nicely. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this video editor has no watermark, as you can see, and it's very perfect for any form of editing. So we have come to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it, hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button for more videos, and as well to support your girl. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.